Did you know most career plans fail before they even take off? It's true, without the right guidance, many young people end up feeling stuck, frustrated, and unsure about their future. But here's the good news, your child doesn't have to be a part of this statistic. With the right strategies and support, you can help them avoid common pitfalls and set them up for a future filled with purpose, passion, and success. Let's dive into the mistakes that you have to watch out for and how to fix them before it's too late. Namaste, I'm Preeti Durga and welcome back to Career Crafting Conversations, where we empower parents to confidently guide their teens through the career maze. Have you ever wondered what separates a successful career from a failed one? आज हम बात करेंगे उन कॉमन रीजंस की जिसके वजह से करियर प्लान्स फेल होते हैं एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली हाउ यू कैन सेफगार्ड योर चाइल्ड्स करियर प्लानिंग फ्रॉम दीज मिस्टेक्स. Stick with me, this episode is truly an eye-opener. We all know career planning is no small task. It can feel overwhelming with so many paths to choose from. लेकिन सच ये है कि ज़्यादातर लोग एक ही जैसे मिस्टेक्स करते हैं जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन, वेस्टेड इयर्स और मिस्ड अपॉर्चुनिटीज को जन्म देते हैं. बट हियर्स द गुड न्यूज़, ज़्यादातर ये मिस्टेक्स अवॉइड की जा सकती हैं with the right guidance. So stay with me. This could truly be the turning point for your family's career journey. As we go through this, you'll start to see how understanding your child's strengths and aligning them with the market opportunities can completely transfer your career trajectory. और यही हम डिटेल में एक्सप्लोर करेंगे ड्यूरिंग द करियर कॉम्पस मास्टर क्लास जो our upcoming webinar है. Just recently, I worked with a client named Ananya, a bright student with a deep interest in design. Her parents, however, wanted her to pursue engineering, thinking it was a safer option. Torn between her dreams and her family's expectations, Ananya felt stuck. Together, we identified creative strengths and researched the demand for design careers. We built a plan that balanced her passion and a sustainable career path. Aaj Ananya is excelling as a graphic designer. I am proud and her parents are even prouder because the plan aligned her strengths with market needs. This is what Career Compass Masterclass is all about. Building a career plan as unique as your child. Like Ananya's parents, you too can play a critical role in aligning your child's strengths with the right opportunities. Here's the harsh truth. More than 70% of people feel stuck in their jobs. Why? Because they didn't get their career planning right. It's that simple. This leads to frustration, missed opportunities, and wasted potential. Why should you care? Because poor planning doesn't just waste time, it impacts your child's confidence and limits their future opportunities. Just think of your child at a place where they feel stuck in a career they don't enjoy, unable to grow or thrive. What would you do 10 years later? Unfortunately, this happens to many families due to common mistakes like relying on outdated advice or ignoring market needs. लेकिन ये आपके बच्चे के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए. As a parent, you have the power to help your child avoid these pitfalls and guide them towards a career that's both fulfilling and future-proof in this video. We'll uncover these mistakes and show you how to build a smarter career plan for your child. Because their futures deserve nothing less. Agree? Career planning isn't just about choosing a job. It's about truly understanding your child's strengths, interests, and how they align with the needs of the world. A well thought out career plan can set your child up for long-term success, ensuring they not only survive but thrive in their journey ahead. Think of your child's career as a journey. Without the right guidance, it's easy to lose direction, leading to confusion and missed opportunities. That's why having a clear plan matters so much. To make this process simpler, I have created a free downloadable resource that you can access at the end of this video. It's designed to help you take today's tips and apply them effectively with your child, making career planning smoother and impactful. And if you have used any of our previous resources, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share how they have helped your family's journey so far. We are always inspired by your stories and the steps you're taking towards building a brighter future for your teens. Let's dive into the 3 major reasons why most career plans fail. And unfortunately, ये mistakes बहुत parents unknowingly करते हैं. These mistakes can have serious consequences for their teens' future. The first mistake is relying on outdated advice. For years, careers like engineering or medicine were considered safe options. But the reality today is very different. ये fields अब उतने secure नहीं रहे जितने पहले थे. The world of work is evolving rapidly and emerging fields like AI, data science and digital marketing are growing at an incredible pace. Imagine your child dedicating years to preparing for a career that's slowly losing relevance. It's not just lost time and energy, it's a missed opportunity to align with a future-ready career. The second mistake is ignoring your teens' personal strengths. बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को उन कैरियर्स की तरफ पुश करते हैं जो उनके हिसाब से प्रेस्टिजियस या फाइनेंशियली सिक्योर होते हैं. But they don't consider whether these paths align with their child's natural abilities or interests. For example, if your child is creative, but you steer them towards commerce because it seems more practical, they might feel disconnected and unmotivated. Over time, ये mismatch उनके confidence को hurt करेगा और and it will leave them uncertain about their capabilities and future. The third mistake is overlooking market demand. आज के time में the job market shifts quickly and roles that we were once in demand are now being replaced by new, more relevant ones. Imagine your teen spending years developing skills only to realize those skills are no longer valued. This isn't just wasted effort, it's a blow to their confidence and a missed chance to stay ahead in a competitive world. But the good news is, ये pitfalls avoid किए जा सकते हैं with the right guidance. By focusing on your child's unique strengths and understanding the evolving job market, आप उन्हें एक ऐसे career path पर डाल सकते हैं जो उनकी abilities और future opportunities के साथ aligned हो. With a thoughtful and forward-thinking approach, you can set them up for long-term success and fulfillment. So now that we know why most career plans fail, let's focus on how you as a parent can help your child avoid these pitfalls. Yes, that's the best part. ये steps आप आज ही शुरू कर सकते हैं and they are simpler than you might think. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let's start with strengths. Every child has natural talents, but often they struggle to recognize or articulate them. यहाँ पर आपका रोल बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. Observe what your child naturally gravitates towards. Do they enjoy building things, doodling, solving puzzles, or even helping others? Maybe they love leading groups or brainstorming ideas. These small everyday interests can reveal a lot about their inherent strengths. Here's a simple exercise. The next time your child completes something they are proud of, ask them, what part of this did you enjoy the most? Or what do you think you did really well here? ये questions उन्हें self reflect करने का मौका देंगे and will open up conversations about their natural abilities. For instance, I once worked with a parent whose child loved storytelling. Initially, they dismissed it as a casual hobby. But जब हमने इस strength को explore किया, we uncovered exciting career paths like scriptwriting, marketing, and even game designing, where storytelling could truly shine. Imagine their excitement when they realized their passion had the potential to become a fulfilling career. Can you connect their strengths to real-world careers? Let's say your child loves art. Career in UX design, animation, or branding could be great fits. If they are passionate about gaming, look at roles like game development, testing, or e-sport management. The idea is to bridge the gap between what they enjoy and what the real world needs. You can use platforms like LinkedIn or Google Trends to explore in-demand skills and career. Ask them questions like, what's a problem in the world you'd love to solve? This simple question can get them thinking about meaningful work that aligns with their abilities. Now, let's talk about planning ahead. Gone are the days when people stuck to one career for their entire life. आज के टाइम में the best career plans are flexible and adaptable. They allow room for growth, exploration, and discovery. Help your child think in both short-term and long-term frameworks. For example, in the short term, they can focus on building foundational skills like coding, communication, or design. Long term, these skills can open up multiple doors and allow them to pivot as the job market evolves. Encourage hands-on experiences like internship, volunteering, or small side projects. These give real-world exposure and clarity about what they enjoy or don't. And don't forget to celebrate the small wins. अगर उन्होंने एक न्यू स्किल मास्टर किया या एक प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट किया, take a moment to acknowledge it. These small victories build confidence and resilience. Finally, let's talk about taking action. Very important. Career planning isn't something you figure out by trial and error. Think about it like this. If your child's health was at stake, you'd consult a doctor instead of relying solely on home remedies. Similarly, career planning needs expert guidance. It's about understanding your child's unique strengths, analyzing market trends, and aligning both with the right opportunities. That's exactly why we created our 4-hour Career Compass Masterclass. It's like a roadmap to help you avoid common mistakes and give your child the clarity and direction they need. In these 4 hours, I'll guide you step by step through actionable strategies that will help your child discover strengths, align them with future-ready careers, and build confidence in their journey. So, if you are ready to take the first step towards shaping your child's future, join us in the Career Compass Masterclass. It could be the turning point you have been waiting for, helping your child move closer to a career they love while securing their place in the evolving job market. Now let's take a moment to imagine the future. Before we begin, find a quiet and peaceful spot where you can focus without distraction. Are you ready? Take a deep breath, close your eyes if you like, and let your mind paint this picture with me. Your child wakes up every day feeling genuinely excited and motivated. They are not stuck in a job they dread dragging themselves through the day. Instead, they are thriving in a career that truly fits who they are. A career that aligns with their strengths, interests, and the world's needs. Your child feels confident, fulfilled, and successful, taking every step with a sense of purpose, knowing they are building a life of long-term happiness and growth. This isn't just a dream. Open your eyes. It's a future you can start shaping today. It begins with small but meaningful action. Understanding their strengths, exploring market opportunities, and seeking the right guidance. Each small step can lead to a big transformation. Career planning is not just about landing any job. It's about creating a future that resonates with your child's true self. The pride you will feel watching them navigate life with confidence, knowing that their career reflects who they are and what they are capable of. ये है thoughtful career planning की power, a process that goes beyond academics and job searches, ensuring that their path is intentional, fulfilling, and future ready. This vision is absolutely within reach. All it takes is the willingness to start today and take the first step towards shaping a future that allows your child to shine. You have the ability to make this a reality, one thoughtful decision at a time. So here's your next step. At the end of this video, you'll find a free downloadable tool. This tool will help you take everything we discussed today and apply it with your child in a simple, actionable way. Download it, following the steps on the screen, and देखिए कैसे ये आपके करियर प्लानिंग अप्रोच को ट्रांसफॉर्म करता है. And if you are ready to take things further, join our Career Compass Masterclass for just $99. This 4-hour session will give you a solid foundation to guide your child's career with clarity and confidence. It's an investment in their future that you won't regret. We'd love to hear from you. If you have used any of our previous resources, share your experience in the comments below. Your stories inspire us and help other parents like you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with other parents who might find this helpful. Together, we can create a brighter future for our children. Let's end with a powerful affirmation. Take a deep breath and repeat after me. I craft careers that don't just fit but fulfill. Say it again and truly feel it this time. I craft careers that don't just fit but fulfill. Carry these affirmations with you as you support your child in building a fulfilling future. Thanks for tuning in to today's Career Crafting Conversations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable insights. If you know someone struggling with career planning, share this video with them too. It may help. I am Preeti Durga signing off. Here, we don't just talk about careers, we craft fulfilling futures. See you in the webinar. I'll see you in the masterclass. Let's craft a career plan that works for you.